The Deputy Chief Medical Officer insists Australia can cope with a second wave of infections after current restrictions are rolled back, but without a vaccine in sight. Professor Paul Kelly says states and territories should use their own judgement based on the rate of infections in returning to normal life. National Cabinet will review the nationwide lockdown from May 11. He says rules would possibly be eased in the lead up to that key date as the nation has moved into a less frightening phase.
As we get closer to that May 11 target and after that as well, there will be many announcements about changes in the way that we'll be living our lives and hopefully getting back to some sort of new normality of living in a COVID-safe society.
The National Cabinet meets tomorrow to discuss also the return of elite and community sport. It comes amid debate over the restart of the AFL and NRL codes. Professor Kelly is optimistic but conceded elite competitions face complex hurdles.
We are working with the AFL, the NRL and other codes and specifically with the Australian Institute of Sport to look more broadly, not just at the elite level of sport, but to community sport and Olympic sports and so on, about what would be a safe transition back. We had a detailed discussion about that today in AHPPC, and there will be advice going to the National Cabinet on Friday with some general principles and some advice on those matters.